Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we have a Lego Nissan Skyline GTR R34, and this thing is absolutely insane. Not only that, we actually have a little Paul Walker that comes with it. So this just recently dropped, and everybody's freaking out about it. Some people are finding them in stores. A lot of stores are sold out because they only get like a couple, and people are buying them up like instantly. But these are now on Amazon. I think it's still a pre-order, so there's going to be a link in the description down below. Definitely go click on that link, pre-order some before they sell out, because I guarantee you these things are going fast. And this thing looks absolutely insane. As you can see, this is a completely sealed box. I'm not going to open this box because I actually have one already put together. So this thing is absolutely incredible. And it was such like an amazing build. Like, it's such an iconic car from the Fast and Furious movies. And like I said, it comes with a little Paul Walker. Here he is. This thing looks so cool. It's like the simple pants, kind of like a regular white tee that's a little wrinkly, but Paul Walker fashion. You got him from the Too Fast, Too Furious movie. And this thing looks very accurate. You got a lot of stickers and stuff on there. You even got some stickers on the back, like the Toyo tires, the license plate, stuff like that. And it actually looks pretty accurate. And one of the cool things is, let me take this off. You guys can see the little NOS bottles down there. And then there's like little gauges and stuff. It's like a little computer setup. And obviously a right-hand drive. So this thing looks super cool. So let me go ahead and pop the little Paul Walker right down in here. Boom, there we go. Now he's in the car. You put the top back on so you guys can kind of see what that looks like when he's in there. This thing looks absolutely incredible. Like the attention to detail, you got all the designs on the side there. You got the stripes. Like these stripes are actually Lego pieces, and then some of the stripes down here are actually stickers. But it looks incredible. This is one of my favorite Lego builds. It's super tiny. Like, I would love to see one of those like giant ones, or actually probably like this big compared to this little car. But this is going to be great for keeping in my office, just kind of putting on my desk. It doesn't take up much room. I mean, even got like the taillights look really good right there. But like I said, there's going to be a link in the description down below so you guys can go pre-order this on Amazon before they sell out, because you definitely do not want to miss out on this opportunity, because this is such a cool Lego build. Even building it was actually pretty fun. There are, what's that, 319 pieces. I believe it was around like 25 bucks. So it's not like one of like the smallest builds. It's slightly bigger. And it wasn't just like one of those you put together in like less than 5 minutes. If you take your time, it's kind of a fun build. But the attention to detail, got like a little roll cage there in the back window. Man, this is so cool. Like, I absolutely love this. Oh yeah, and then got some underglow there on the back. You can kind of see it underneath. So, such a cool build. Also, I do have this one right here posted on my Macari account. Similar to eBay or like OfferUp, one of those like selling websites where you can buy and sell stuff. It's free to create an account. But if you guys use my link in the description down below to create a free Macari account, whenever you make your first purchase, you get $10 back on your account. And then whenever you sell like kind of an accumulated amount of like $100 or more, you get an additional $20 back. So like I said, using my link in the description down below, you guys can have the opportunity at $30 for free. And you guys can essentially go browse it. You can buy, sell, whatever. And such a great website. I will be having this listed on there. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more posted on there as well. So definitely go check out all the links in the description down below. Pick it up on Amazon, pre-order it, or you can buy this exact one from Macari and you can have it maybe like within a week. The Amazon, I think it's like maybe 2 to 3 weeks out. So definitely check all this out. If you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And let me know if there's any other like Legos or other things that you want me to do, kind of like a little review of and kind of showing off and whatnot. But like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.